guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Yeah, even I am doing good. So today's video is a random haul video. So I have purchased few of the items from online stores as well as offline stores. So yeah, without much late, let's go. Okay. So this is my first purchase from Nykaa. So this is a pocket perfume from Enchanter. If you remember my last Nykaa haul, also I have purchased this Enchanter pocket perfume, but that was under the fragrance, some other rose kind of a fragrance, but this is yellow color shaded and this is under the variant Charming. So I'm using this, I'm liking the smell of this. So actually I have, I like that pink color variant, so I just thought of getting another one. So this time I thought of purchasing a different variant and I got this yellow color thing. Even this is good, but when compared with when I compared pink with this, I am going more towards pink. Its smell is so refreshing. Even this is good. So yeah, the smell of this is also too good, guys. Even this is good, but I am liking that pink color one. Okay, but it's okay. I am going to use this because this is a pocket perfume, right? So you can carry this anywhere and you can use this every time. Yeah, and then I have purchased a nail polish from L18. So this is a nail polish that I have purchased from L18. Again, I am disappointed, guys. Even this time I am disappointed with Nykaa, with L18 nail polish, because I thought this is to be a matte color, but again this turned out to be a shimmery shade. So I'm disappointed with this nail polish, guys. I'm not going to use this because I don't like this color. I got this for some 55 rupees. So this is my next purchase. Okay guys, the next purchase that I did is I got an eyeliner. So this is from Eyetex Dazzler. So the applicator is so thin, or the brush is so thin, so this gives a a very good finish while you line your eyelashes. Okay, so I just like this, and it is also long lasting and waterproof, so I'm liking this, guys. So this I got this for 40 rupees from Nykaa. So I'll just leave the link of every product that I purchased in the description box. So if anyone is interested in buying, you can just definitely get it out. So yeah, this will be my next purchase, and soon I'll just give a simple eyeliner look with Eyetex Dazzler, because I am liking the texture and the finishing that I get using Dazzler. This is superb, guys. When compared with Blue Heaven, this is superb. So yeah, this will be my next purchase. And then next I have purchased is a sunscreen. So this is from Pond's. So as I have told, I'm going to review a little bit about Pond's in this video also. So this is the Sun Protect formulated by for non-oily sunscreen. So basically let me tell you, mine is an oily skin, as I have already mentioned this in earlier of my videos also. So basically mine is an oily skin. So for oily skin, this sunscreen is just amazing. So believe me, guys, this comes for 99 rupees, and from Nykaa I got this for 90 around. I purchased this during some offer time. So I got this for 90 rupees, I think, roughly. So this is with SPF 30 and it is for non-oily sunscreen. So when I applied this was easily applied on my skin and it was not oily. So for my daily makeup, or as a day cream or as a daily cream, since years, I must say, since years I am using this product. Okay, this is Pond's White Beauty Spotless Fairness Day Cream. So this cream I've been using since years. I mean, for about 3 to 4 years now. So this is my regular or daily makeup product that I really love using. Spotless Fairness Day Cream. Okay, this is day cream, and this is written it is for normal skin, but I'll share you my experience. As mentioned, I have oily skin, and this I tried many creams, guys, earlier. So 3 to 4 years ago I tried using Fair and Lovely, but that was not working, and it turned my skin too much oily, and I could feel if I touched like this, there was a lot of oil on my hands. Okay, so that oily my skin turned when I used Fair and Lovely. After that I tried Lactocalamine, and again I tried a lot of creams. So after that I was really disappointed, and all of a sudden I started using this Pond's White Beauty. So this was really good for my skin. Finally I could find something which suits my skin, because this is just superb, guys. When you apply also, it gives a light matte finish on your face, and also it allows to reduce dark spots, guys. And then I would say about Pond's BB cream. So even this baby cream I've been using since years. And I don't use too much of foundation, guys. I never use foundation, so I only use this BB cream, and on specifically Pond's BB cream I use. You might have seen in many of my videos. So this is my personal favorite. So you will have to select the shade that suits your skin type. This is what I use, 01 Original. This shade is perfect for my skin tone. So this is superb, guys. Even this blends well with my skin tone, and it gives you that instant coverage and glow. So this is nothing less than a foundation, guys. So I feel the coverage is also very good, so I never thought of using a foundation avoiding this. So this satisfies me well, so I will definitely continue using a BB cream instead of foundation, because I was never disappointed after using a BB cream like Pond's. So this will be my next purchase, and I got this for 82 rupees, guys. This is my next purchase. And then finally I've got few lipsticks. So I got 6 shades from L18. So I have reviewed all these shades in my video, so I'll just give the link in the iCard above. You can just go there and check the reviews and swatches about the lipsticks that I've got from L18, and also I have given the links in the description box. You can check it out, and if needed you can purchase. So yeah, and that's all for today, guys. So these are all the products that I have purchased from various platforms, offline and online. So hope you have liked the video. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you have liked it. I'll just leave the links of all these products in the description box below. If you're liking my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So see you soon with another useful video. So till then, bye and take care.